Well, folks, the Raminator is back in the shop, and we've got this beautiful 5-inch straight pipe all the way back. The boys down there hooked it up with the tip. I didn't even know it was in the box. But let's see what this cold startup sounds like. It's about 57 degrees. So I don't have the remote start, so bear with me for just a second. I don't know, but I'm liking it. It's a lot different than my 17 4th gen, but man, there's something about this truck. Stay tuned to the new video coming out. We're gonna do a full review on the tune. We're gonna talk about the truck more, how it's performing, what my MPGs look like. Sorry about that light. Yeah, so, man, it's definitely sounding different. Sounds like the old 5.9 that I used to have. What do you guys think? That's what I want to know. And I'm anxious to see what this thing's going to do performance-wise, pulling, everything. But we're going to test it out here in a little bit. I'm going to get the truck washed up, and stay tuned. The Raminator is coming to you. Y'all have a good one.